below. If you're a fan, or just wondering what happened to Sakalarp, this video will explain it all. On July 15, 2026, I created the Sakalarp YouTube channel, and later I did this all with Sakaboy's permission, of course. He gave me the green light the same day I finished the video full recorded. This video was the noob level 1 to 10 video, which was a clear cop of Sakaboy's level 1 to level 100 noob. The video reached 20 views a day after release. The next day I recorded a short calling Sakaboy out for copying me, with little to no feedback. Sakaboy later then recorded a short talking about Sakalarp basically boosting the channel to 100 subs. I then started recording a short calling out Sakaboy basically and asking for 1v1. Then we recorded the 1v1s in Forsaken and Jujutsu Shenanigans, which I lost both. Then like 30 minutes after that I recorded the end video, which was the last video of Sakalarp. That was supposed to be the end of Sakalarp, the end of this story, but then the channel started blowing up, each video over 1000 views, and the channel at 500 subscribers. I asked Sak if I could continue the channel. He didn't care. I could do whatever I wanted with the channel, since I owned it. So that's exactly what I did. I made the level 1 to level 100 guest in 10 minutes video, which basically flopped. It didn't hit as many views as the other videos, so I was stuck. Sak didn't want to continue the storyline of exposing who was behind it for our mental health, because Sak's viewers are very annoying. And I also didn't want to continue it, because the content wasn't that original. The video flopped, and nobody really cared. So on a random Friday, July 3rd, a whole 7 days after Sakalarp's latest video, I decided to announce that I was Sakalarp to Sak's entire Discord server. Nobody cared. Sakalarp was dead, so I decided Sakalarp's fate on a World Cup match. If England wins, I'll delete Sakalarp. I don't have another video I'll say.
Would you do that? Why would you do that?
Just like that, Sakalarp was deleted. I uploaded the videos onto this account, because I actually put effort into them. But I forgot to archive the shorts, cause I'm stupid as shit. Here's me asking this chud what they think of Sakalarp being deleted.
I'm really sad Sakalarp was deleted. It was my favorite YouTube channel ever.
This is what Sakaboy had to say about Sakalarp being deleted.
PP diarrhea sting poopy pants.
Since Mexico lost, it's gonna happen. Goodbye, Sakalarp. Oh my God, 687 subscribers down the drain. It's been a fun ride. Gotta type in the email and it's gone just like that. Sakalarp is dead.
Hachi